This video will explain how I will be recording your grades for this course. So for this course, I'm not going to use the Blackboard Gradebook. I've tried to turn it off every place I can because the Blackboard Gradebook just really isn't going to deal well with grades like pass or progressing or no pass. It wants letters and numbers. Well, we don't have those in this course. So what I have done is I will make a Google Doc spreadsheet for each of you for your grades, and I will share it with you. So each spreadsheet will be for one student only and will be shared with that student. This is a sample of what the gradebook looks like. So you can see there are places for all the concept checks and a grade. So the grades will be written right below, pass or no pass or progressing. And I will put a number below it. That's just to help me count. So for each pass, I will write a 1. And for each no pass or progressing, I will write a 0. And then the spreadsheet will just add them up. And as soon as you've passed the threshold for a letter grade for each item, I will write that letter grade. So I'll say you now have passed sufficient concept checks to get a grade of D, C, B, or A. You can see we have places for all the learning modules, separated by levels, the timed assessments, separated by levels, your participation grades, the natural argument project, and then at the bottom we just have sort of a summary where you can see where you're at. And this again will be a running total, and I will fill in the sufficient for a grade of whatever as we go along. And then at the end of the course I will figure out, based on the chart on the website, what your final grade is. So a person who had grades that looked like this sample grade book would get a B+. Now you can access your gradebook one of two ways. I'm going to be sharing it with your BBU email. So you can access it by logging into your Bmail and going to your drive and finding the spreadsheet. The file name will be your name. Or you can go to Blackboard and you can go to the My Grade section, which is right below the contact info. And when you open up this page, when I look at it, it will have a link for each student. However, when you look at it, you will be able to see just the sample gradebook. So everyone in the course can see the sample gradebook through Blackboard here. And then you will be able to see the link for your spreadsheet only. So I've set it up in Blackboard so that the only person that can see the link for an individual person's spreadsheet is that person and myself. So everyone can see the sample gradebook, but only you can see the link for your spreadsheet. And then as an additional protection, you're going to need to be logged into your Binghamton email in the same browser as Blackboard. So you have to be logged into Blackboard and logged into your Bmail in order to see your grade spreadsheet in Blackboard.